In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove auto layout. Auto layout is an incredibly powerful feature in many design tools, especially when you're building responsive interfaces or components that need to maintain consistent spacing and alignment. However, there are times when you need to step away from its automatic constraints and gain full manual control over your design elements. Perhaps you're refining a very specific visual detail, merging components with different layout needs, or simply want to convert a structured frame back into a more flexible group. Understanding how to properly remove auto layout is crucial for maintaining design flexibility and control. To begin, the first step is to locate and interact with the specific layer that currently has auto layout applied. This layer is often a frame or a group within your design that's been configured to automatically adjust its children's spacing and positioning. Once you've identified this particular frame or layer on your canvas, simply move your mouse pointer over it. Then, perform a right-click directly on that layer. This action will bring up a context menu, which offers a range of options relevant to the selected element. You'll need to navigate through this menu until you find the clear and distinct option labeled Remove Auto Layout. Carefully click on this option. What this action does is essentially dissolve the auto layout properties from that frame. It transforms the frame back into a standard frame or a group, meaning it will no longer enforce automatic spacing, alignment, or resizing rules on its contents. Crucially, this doesn't delete any of your content. It only changes the behavior of its container, giving you back manual control. Once you've clicked Remove Auto Layout, you will immediately notice a change in the selected frame's behavior and characteristics. The most significant observation is that the layer can now be freely manipulated independently from its previous auto layout constraints. Before, if you tried to move or resize an item within that frame, other items would likely shift and automatically adjust their positions to maintain the auto layout rules.